So today we're going to experiment with a thicker cell activator. So let's not waste time and get right to it. This is PPG Multi-Pro. It's my go-to pillow paint. What you look for in a pillow paint is something nice and stretchy that'll hold your color layer up without being too thin or too thick. First color is Teal by Golden, mixed with my pouring medium, which is Bear 8300 and Minwex, mixed to consistency. You want it nice and thick, but without being too thick. It's kind of a feel thing. This is Pearl White by Josonia. If you've not worked with Josonia products, they're highly pigmented, and I just have had extreme success with them. I think they're an underrated paint, frankly. Coming up next is some of my most favorite product to work with. This is This Little Piggy's Frost. Started out as a pigment. I loosened it up with just a little bit of Josonia varnish and added my pouring medium to consistency. This is Yellow Gold by Triart. This is the replacement for my Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, which has been lost due to the availability of components. So I'm getting used to it. I think I might like it a lot. Okay, this is Tuscan Sun by Color Art. It's a nice shiny yellow with lots and lots of sparkles. Using it sparingly because I really want to just accent it. Okay, here's for the point. I thickened up the cell activator. I made it a 2-to-1 ratio paint to Floetrol. It made for a much thicker cell activator. Let's see how this works, and I'd appreciate your comments at the end. Let's get back to it. Now, your blow technique is very important. I like to blow out from the center, get a nice even, and then start blowing out my petals. Blooming is tricky when you start. Be patient with yourself and allow yourself to experiment. I am in no way a bloom expert, but it's taken me, it took me the better part of 6 months to finally get the technique. The whole idea is to enjoy what you're doing and not be too self-critical. What I'm doing over here now, I'm trying to just spread out some of that color layer that's bound up on the sides. Spread it out. This straw helps me get into the middle. And now I'm going to do a little bit of modification with my skewer. And I'll let you watch the rest without any more interruptions. See you at the end. let's talk about this for just a second. Simple bloom today. I am trying different techniques as far as how I put together my cell activator. It's pretty much the same as what I usually do, just the ratios are a little off, or a little bit different. It was much thicker cell activator than it usually is. And you can see I got really nice webbing. My cells did get stretched out quite a bit. I'm not happy about that. I think this will make a very nice trivet. So that's it for today. Make sure you turn it on Thursday. I'll have a longer video. It's time for the YouTube thing. If you could like and share, of course subscribe if you haven't already done so. It helps the algorithm and I appreciate it. Okay, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.